Morning guys, we are in Wadsworth, Ohio this morning. My truck is in the shop getting worked on right now. We're doing a PM service and we're getting the radiator flushed and filled and a bunch of other little odds and ends. Right now I'm out with Murphy, taking a little walk around the area here, killing time. Pretty nice day out here now. Rain stopped overnight sometime while I was sleeping. It was pouring when we got in here last night, but a lot nicer now. Like 70 degrees and nice and sunny, and got a little breeze going. Hopefully you can hear me with the wind. You scared the camera? Yeah, there's a really old Dorsey trailer there. Well, I guess it's not that old, it's a 48 footer. It'd be really old if it was a 45 footer. When I first started driving, the 48 foot trailer was the biggest one. It's mostly pulled either 45s or 48s until the 53s came along, and then those were huge. Now it's just common. Got some excavating work going on behind us there. They're going to fix the road a little bit, looks like. Okay, so right now we're doing a flush and fill on the radiator. We're having it run, and we're running water through it right now, trying to flush everything out. Alright guys, we are all done in the shop. It's now, it's almost 7 o'clock on Friday evening here. And I think I'm going to have to stay here till about 9 o'clock tomorrow morning if I want to get my 34-hour restart in. Kind of looking at my hours, deciding I really don't want to stay, but probably going to need the hours next week. I need to reset my hours. Now we didn't get the new mud flap brackets on because they don't fit in the existing holes. So we have to get a special plate that goes on there to put the kind of mud flap brackets on I want. I want to get rid of these old bar stock mud flaps. I want to get rid of. They sit there and rattle, and I don't like them. So, but we got the truck PM'd. We got the tri-pack auxiliary power unit there on the other side. We got that all taken care of. I got the truck looked over real good. We got the radiator flushed and filled, and I'll put a new filter on the line that carries the DEF fluid over to the after treatment on the truck. So got quite a bit accomplished today. So we'll have to, next time we come back for service, we'll have to do the mud flaps and a couple other little things that need to be done, but nothing that can't wait. I guess I'm going to have to hang out here for the next 14 hours or so, I guess. It's nice and quiet here. This is the industrial park down in here, and you know, we're gonna bother me down here. Probably catch up on some of my video editing, right guys? And get a good night's sleep tonight, and then I'll be heading back towards Pennsylvania tomorrow and grabbing my load for Monday. Tomorrow being Saturday, my load will be ready. I'll grab it for Monday and go on home. Should be home, if I leave here at 9, I should be home by 9 or 10 tomorrow night. Probably about 9 or 10. And then I got a picnic to go to on Sunday. We'll see. It's supposed to be kind of rainy on Sunday, so we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, appreciate you guys checking in with the Trucker John show today. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.